What is up, YouTube? So today we have another autocross event. It is actually event 2 of the KC region schedule, and as you guys can see right behind me, the car is still in the garage, and that's because we're not driving it today. We still don't have the new transmission in it yet. It'll be probably a few more weeks for that, but we do have another co-drive. We are driving Heath's 2000 Miata. That is an NB. He is also a driver from Team Vision. Last video we drove Nathan's MR2, so we're gonna see what I can do in the Miata. However, I'm gonna hand the camera over to Trent, and this is gonna be his video from here on out after the intro, and then there'll be a few clips of me here and there, probably my best run, Heath's best run, and maybe some other stuff. But we're gonna see if Trent can do a podium or get a trophy in H Street this weekend. So gonna give the camera to him, and stay tuned because we're gonna get to it right now.
Hey YouTube, just got everything loaded up in the Civic. About to head over to Independence, Missouri for my second autocross event of the season. I have an additional camera angle today. Hopefully get some more in-car footage for you guys. You know, for you guys, for me to help study, you know, what I can do better, get faster. But I'm gonna grab some coffee and meet you guys up there. Hey guys, we got it girded up. I'm running first heat. Already did the track walk. You might have seen a couple clips in there. Ready to go. We're waiting on everybody, all the workers, to get out on the course, get everything, you know, ready to go for us to pull up there. I'm towards the back of our heat. A lot of people here today, so it should be a good day. It should be pretty warm this afternoon. But yeah, let's get out there. I'm gonna put you guys in my new mount so you can kind of get a different angle, and yeah, we'll get to it.
Hey guys, I'm Heath. I'm with Team Vision, and today Blaine is co-driving me in this car right here. This is my simple seat time car, as I like to call it. It's just a 2000 Miata, swapped VVT engine into it, suspension, wheels, tires, brakes, obnoxious wing on the rear, and a hardtop, and that's pretty much it as far as the mods go. Really just built it to just have fun in, and yeah, hopefully put some good times down today and do some good runs.
All right guys, just did the first run. Feels pretty good out there. The sun's out, so the track's starting to get warm. We're the first heat, so, and the first run, you're not gonna be super fast in your first run. You gotta feel the course out, but the second run, I'm looking forward to it. This is a fun course. All right, guys, just ran my second run, picked up a 10th, but you know, I'm trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to work on my fundamentals, so when I get, you know, the GTR out here and add, you know, other things to the mix like clutch, manual, I'm just trying to learn autocross. Since I have the automatic, I can kind of focus on a few other things to focus on and then add other things to it, like shifting, you know, RPMs, that kind of thing. So yeah, picked up a 10th, but we're gonna get a third run and the fourth, so we'll see where we're at on the third. All right, guys, just ran my third run. Yeah, I added 2 seconds on that one. It was clean, but I added 2 seconds. I just overdrove the car. I was braking too late. I wasn't messed up in the slaloms. I mean, it is what it is. We got a fourth run coming up, and that's why we had 4 runs, is to, you know, get the best time. Give us 4 opportunities to run the course. So yeah, I'm gonna do better on the fourth. We'll run it and see what happens. All right, guys, just finished up my 4th run. Overall, pretty good day. Stayed consistent, kept them clean. My 2nd run was my fastest, 3rd run was my slowest, and then my 4th run, I subtracted a 2nd off of that really bad 3rd run. So overall, happy. I'm going to show Blaine the footage and see what I can improve on. I see things I can already improve on, but that's the point. You know, come out, get the experience, and, you know, better yourself every time. I'm going to go talk to him. I think he was doing really good. He was running towards the top even though he was co-driving today, so I'm excited to go talk to him.
Yo, guys, so we just drove Heath's Miata. My first time in the car ever. Again, like I said in the intro, this car has no ABS, and I'm, like last event, I locked up Nathan's tires and flat spotted them. So that was not the goal. The goal was to not do that at this event today, and I succeeded at doing that. However, Heath kind of came out on top. So
Yeah, Blaine started out with a couple rough runs, and I mean, you know, I've done a lot of coaching for Blaine in the past, and, you know, kind of gave him the hard truths, and he ended up putting out an absolute blazer of a time for his 3rd run. I was actually pretty concerned for my own runs at that point, so he ended up coming out with a really good time, and I knew I had to, you know, put it down from there. And fortunately, I was able to beat him out by a couple tenths, but it was a really close battle, and you did some really good driving today.
yeah, thank you. But no, those first 2 runs, like I was like, he's not gonna let me drive the car anymore if I keep driving this poorly. So yeah, I just had to pull it out, get in my own head, and really focus all my bandwidth on that last run and drive how my coach, master, Jedi counselor Heath has taught me to drive. So unfortunately, I didn't get him today, but first time driving the car, maybe we'll get another chance, but we'll see what happens.
Hey guys, just got done with autocross today up in Independence, Missouri. It was my 2nd event of the season. I really think it went well today. I really didn't like only one of my runs. I ended up getting a 57.8 overall today. That was my best run. And then Blaine got a 49.2, which is, you know, really good for the day. And he was also co-driving as well. So overall, I think it was a really good day. I enjoyed, you know, seeing everybody, getting out there, getting to, you know, better myself. And I got the new mount in the back, you know, seeing my hands and everything. So I'm going to study that footage and see how I can better myself for next time. Only thing I really had to do throughout the day, I lowered my tire pressure one time. They got up to like 35 or 36 PSI. I lowered them back down to around 30. That's kind of where they have their happy place, I think. I'm still trying to figure out all the, you know, that kind of stuff. So overall, a really good day, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So stay tuned. We'll have plenty of more content. Hopefully get, you know, Blaine's transmission back, get that put in. Looking forward to getting his car back out and seeing it run around. It's really dialed in, and I'm looking forward to that. So stay tuned for more footage and videos coming in the near future. We'll see you in the next one.